Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best liquid weld is probably one of the most versatile and effective bonding solutions for metal, offering a convenient alternative to traditional welding methods. In this video, we will explore its various applications, benefits, and factors to consider when choosing the right liquid weld for your specific metalworking needs, helping you make an informed decision based on your project requirements and desired outcome. Number 5. KwikWeld 8265S Epoxy. Introducing KwikWeld Original, the ultimate cold weld epoxy. It's a superior alternative to traditional welding, creating a bond stronger than steel for lasting repairs. Simply mix the two parts in a 1:1 ratio. It sets in 4 to 6 hours and fully cures in 15 to 24 hours, ready for your next project. After mixing, it'll set in just a few hours. Once fully cured, it turns a dark gray and is ready to be shaped and finished. This steel-reinforced epoxy boasts a tensile strength of 5020 psi and can withstand temperatures up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. It's incredibly durable. From metal and plastic to wood and concrete, it bonds to a wide variety of surfaces. Use it for household repairs, automotive fixes, or crafting. The possibilities are endless. Once cured, it's waterproof and resistant to petroleum, chemicals, and acids, ensuring long-lasting protection for your repairs. Whether it's a big project or a small one, you can tackle it with confidence. Get superior performance and results with KwikWeld. What we like. It boasts unmatched strength, exceeding the strength of steel. Its versatility makes it suitable for various materials and applications. If you need a robust, long-lasting solution for diverse repair needs, this is the one for you. What people say. I used to see epoxy to repair broken-off screw studs that held roller wheels on my vacuum cleaner. The studs were plastic and had very little support structure. I had already tried gluing the studs back in place, but they failed again. I've been using the repaired vacuum for a month now, and the repair is amazingly sturdy. This stuff does the job. I used it on my golf club shaft and Indian club, mace bell. The mace bell is adjustable with 3 pieces that screw off. I wanted them permanently in position and KwikWeld put them in place, rock solid. I have tried many products that promised super strong bond, but this seems to be the standard. I also used on my golf club head that came off the shaft, and I believe the bond is stronger than the factory one. KwikWeld has been around for a long time and I have used it for a lot of different projects repairs. It's a standard 2-part epoxy, containing the resin and a hardener, catalyst. The two won't work without being mixed together, and require equal part of each tube to harden properly. The thing that sets KwikWeld apart is that it is reinforced with tiny steel filaments, a lot like polyurethane resin reinforced with fiberglass or body filler. This adds stability and rigidity, so it creates a very strong bond. They say it has a tensile strength of 4000 psi, which is pretty strong. Not the strongest, but pretty good. It's super easy to use, just mix equal parts from each tube together and mix until it turns a nice gray color. Once it turns gray, you'll have about 30 minutes to make the repair before it sets up and becomes unusable. I found it works better if you mix slightly more than you feel you'll need, because it seems to mix better in larger quantities, and mixing it in a container, like a mix cup or inside of a sports drink bottle cap. It's waterproof, resists chemicals and petroleum products like oil, gasoline, diesel, grease, brake, hydraulic, and transmission fluid, and even solvents. I used it to repair a carburetor on my Wii trimmer, an internal part that's submerged in gasoline, a knob on my Bowflex, a fitting on my RC car's exhaust, which gets bathed in highly corrosive nitro fuel constantly, and some other things I can't remember, and it's fantastic. Never had a problem unless it was my fault. I was able to grind it like steel. You can drill holes in it, run a tap in it, sand it, and cut it with a cutoff wheel no problem. Number 4. Weld SteelStik. It's a hand-mixable, 2-part epoxy putty stick. It's steel-reinforced and won't rust, making repairs quick and easy. After mixing, it sets in just 5 minutes and fully cures within an hour. The cured epoxy is a dark gray color. It boasts a lap shear strength of 900 psi and can withstand temperatures up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit continuously, and even higher temperatures intermittently. Plus, it's resistant to many chemicals. It can be molded, shaped, sanded, drilled, and tapped to match your needs. It's a truly versatile solution for various repairs. Use it on iron, stainless steel, copper, brass, aluminum, bronze, fiberglass, plastics, and PVC. It's the ultimate repair solution for metal and more. It's certified by NSF and safe for contact with potable water, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This one sets incredibly fast, saving you valuable time. The putty stick design makes application simple and mess-free. If you value speed and convenience in your repairs, this is your best bet. What people say. The KwikWeld 8267 SteelStik is incredibly easy to use, just knead it until it's a uniform color, apply it to the damaged area, and let it cure. The result? A durable, steel-like bond that can be drilled, tapped, sanded, and painted once fully cured. It is high quality, hardens like iron, forms a tight seal, is easy to mix, use and apply. The bond between the epoxy and the parts that I was connecting exceeds the strength of the actual materials themselves. This product works just as described and is amazing. I used it, according to the instructions, to repair very rusty outdoor patio furniture. 6 chairs and a table went from being ready to break to ready to be used for many years. It works very quickly and is as hard as steel. It adheres like the strongest glue. Number 3. KwikWeld KwikWeld Epoxy. This is KwikWeld KwikWeld, the fast-setting epoxy perfect for quick repairs around the house, in your car, or on your boat. It's strong, durable, and sets quickly. It only takes 6 minutes to set after mixing. You can then tap, fill, sand, mold, and drill it after it's cured. Get your repairs done faster than ever before. It's steel reinforced for incredible strength, with a tensile strength of 3,127 psi. It can even withstand temperatures up to 230 degrees Fahrenheit 110 degrees Celsius. It's waterproof and resistant to petroleum, chemicals, and acids. It's the perfect solution for a wide variety of materials and repairs. Use it on metal, plastic, wood, concrete, ceramic, fiberglass, and more. It's the ultimate multi-purpose epoxy for all your repair needs. With KwikWeld KwikWeld, you get a strong, lasting repair that's easy to use. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. It's designed for rapid repairs and provides a strong, reliable bond. Its versatility makes it a great choice for various materials and applications. If you need a fast-acting solution that doesn't compromise on strength, this is it. What people say. Easy to mix, easy to apply. Fast to cure. Mixes easy, dries quickly, and holds strong. If you mix this product properly, it adheres to most surfaces, sets up with minimal runoff and can be drilled or sanded in around 12 hours. Number 2. KwikWeld ClearWeld Epoxy. It's a clear, quick-setting epoxy with a strong, lasting bond. Perfect for a variety of surfaces. The unique syringe ensures a perfect 1-to-1 mix ratio every time. Plus, the resealable cap prevents drying out and leaking. It sets in just 5 minutes and fully cures in an hour. Get back to your project quickly. It boasts a tensile strength of 3,900 psi. That's strong enough for even the toughest jobs. Use it on metal, plastics, wood, ceramic, glass, and more. It's incredibly versatile. For a strong, clear, and long-lasting bond, choose KwikWeld ClearWeld. It's the clear winner. What we like. Its crystal clear finish ensures that repairs are virtually invisible. The syringe applicator allows for precise and controlled application. If you prioritize aesthetics and precision in your repairs, this is the perfect choice. Number 1. High-strength epoxy metal glue. This heavy-duty epoxy glue is perfect for a variety of repairs. Its easy-to-use syringe and 1-to-1 mixing ratio make application simple and precise. The smooth consistency allows for easy application in thin layers, ensuring complete coverage and a strong bond. It's ideal for detailed work and intricate repairs. It sets quickly in just 5 minutes and fully cures within 24 hours. It boasts an impressive 4,680 psi cured strength, ensuring a durable and reliable repair. From fixing cracks in cars and boats to repairing household items, it's versatile enough to handle a wide variety of materials and repair jobs. It's truly a multi-purpose solution. It can withstand extreme temperatures, from -65 degrees Fahrenheit to 549 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cured, it can be sanded, drilled, and painted, allowing for a seamless finish. This high-quality epoxy glue offers exceptional value. It's a versatile and reliable solution for all your repair needs, saving you time and money. What we like. This epoxy boasts exceptional strength and heat resistance, making it ideal for demanding repairs. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of materials and applications. If you need a heavy-duty solution for high-temperature or high-stress repairs, this is the one. What people say. Very, very strong stuff. Used it to glue a piece of internal weight on my rifle chassis. This thing says it sets in 5 minutes, but realistically gives you about 30 minutes to align everything, which is very forgiving. After it sets up in the 24 hours, it's incredibly strong. Worked great on my PowerMac G5 leg. Before and after pics attached. Very strong bond. I left it to cure for 24 hours using a clamp to reinforce. My steel tank sprayer had a small leak and this stuff worked flawlessly. After applying the mix on the sprayer, I'll let it set for 2 days, the instructions say 24 hours. But, I wanted to be sure before filling sprayer. So far so good. The gauge on the sprayer moved properly and pressure was maintained longer. The fix has held. This stuff is great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.